Are we ready, Ben?
What's happening?
Over here.
Oh, I saw some on the sunset. Go on. What's happening? Why are we here?
Why are we here?
Why are we here?
Why are we here?
Because the RS4 still broke. So we've come to get the widen it out, get soft landing. So we're coming to get the top mounts done and the bump stops done because we couldn't get them last time when the suspension was fitted. So Ben's here. Here you are, look. What's this? Bump stops, top mount, all new. So they're going on now, and then we should hopefully have the knocking box off. Fingers crossed. And if it's not fixed it, then it has. Oh, it has fixed it. Yeah. So, there you go. I have every faith.
Do you know what I believed in then?
Yeah, so did I.
That was believable.
That was a convincing Welshman.
I heard none of that. Why are we here?
To get the suspension fixed. The only problem is that I'm a bit.
That's what it is. That's the knocking.
Is it shy?
That there. That's the knocking. Heard that? That's what it does.
It's not that, but that does need chopping out now. Because that's going to annoy me. Can we not just tuck it up under there? I don't know what
Not
to say.
saying much.
No. You know, I was taking a mick at you the other day. I was saying to these lads then when you was on about having 1,000 horsepower or getting your wheel clicking fixed.
Yeah.
And somebody said to me, I'll give you the supercharger kit that'll make this like 600 horsepower or I'll sort the knocking out the back. I'll take the knocking all day long.
I know exactly what you do, yeah.
Yeah?
You take the knocking all day long?
I'd take
the
them to
knocking
get
out?
the, yeah, that's what I mean,
yeah.
Yeah. It's doing me
Sounds
head in.
crazy.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Absolutely mental.
It sounds like a taxi.
Yeah.
So we need to get it sorted out. So I'm just upset until it's getting done. But looking at them top mounts, if they don't look that bad, what else could it be?
The suspension. The actual coilovers.
But then it knocked before.
They did knock before, yeah.
So
Well, it's process of elimination. You change everything.
it will definitely end up like Trigger's broom, won't it?
You're going to know too much if you start repairing cars, because you obviously can do auto electrics and everything like that now.
Well, you know, clutch switches, what else have I done? Oh, roof linings.
Yeah. So really, when you think about it, if you do the back end of this, and you could put an exhaust on it, no problem. You could actually build one of these from scratch.
Well, you know, I wouldn't want to blow my own trumpet, but yeah, it's that. Easy. You're going to be like, it's fucking still knocking, it's because you did the other side of it.
Blame you, because you bought it.
Hey, what are we saying to these anyway?
EvilGT ones?
Yeah.
Look at that, get your merch now on the website, store.bdperformance.
Not happening. They're quite big, aren't they? You could probably cover your
Got
whole...
on there.
I prefer them.
Oh,
Do you know that mask?
What an improvement.
That mask must be massive, because he's got a massive head.
The only problem with this is, you can tend to bump into shit.
I actually prefer that. No, put it back up.
Piss off. What are we saying? Do you like it?
It's alright.
So, according to Teespring, these things are about 45 quid.
I mean, I wouldn't buy one myself, but
No. You can't say that, this is your own
Is
shit.
that with a special discount code?
No, how much?
quid?
I cannot lie, I wouldn't buy one of them. They look like a right swag.
Well, let me just
Don't turn it
camera
round on me. You asked me, you said.
What trainers are these? They're like walking boots then, pal. Where do you
Bleeding
expect?
cold, I'm in Wales.
You got your 𝘱𝘆s on?
Yeah, I have.
got your long
My
johns
toes
on?
were freezing last time.
Ah, the tart.
Give us that. Yeah, get back to Teespring.
No, I think they're about £8. Teespring think that you should sell these
right,
for
so
£16.
you actually want to sell it? You expect someone to buy this?
What's up with that?
I thought we were doing a YouTube channel where we were just. I'm not doing it all merchandise and stuff.
Ben, can you just try this on our Ben? Just, you know, you in the summer you wear that little thing on your head to stop your head burning. I think that's been more appropriately termed as a...
Actually, take that off. Put it on your head. I can't say what you look like. I can't possibly say what you look like. But anyone looking at this...
What's up with that?
Anyone looking at this knows what you look like.
I think you're all taking the piss. I thought that's quite good.
Have a look at that. I couldn't say it.
Yeah, pretty much. This is just coming out now. So is it literally just 3 bolts holding that in, that's it? One at the bottom, 2 at the top?
Yeah.
So you say Audis are complicated.
It takes longer to get the arch liner out than the shot.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Arch liner. Overcomplicated.
Yeah, that was... I think that's...
Need to check.
Weight saving.
I'm not sure that weighs much.
You don't need that, do you?
Yeah, of course you do. Stops all the shit getting up. How do I switch what on? I didn't know we had one. I thought literally you put your clothes in a basket and then they go back in the wardrobe. Like I thought that was that. Yeah, it's like witchcraft. That. Whiz it around the block and see if the knocking's gone, because they've still got the gear linkage thing to change.
But the thing is, why don't we wait till later and then it's like it's a bit of drama.
Yeah, no, but if it is still knocking and there's other bits that need to build, it means we've got to come back.
Yeah, but it's like keeping people on the edge of the seat. You know, YouTube, like.
I think they're sick of seeing this car now, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I'm sick of seeing it on a ramp.
So
I
you're
know
gonna
that.
burst it now, aren't you? So if it's fixed, it's gonna be like boring rest of the video.
No,
Like that.
no, it's not. You
Because
still got to do the gearbox.
that gear thing, that's easy. That's it. I could do that myself. I know you could.
Can't even put a shelf up.
Yeah.
Right, come on then.
With Ben's assistance. What do you mean about I can't put a shelf up?
I'm alright.
I can do a shelf. You can't do shit.
It's just as long as the shelf goes on the floor. You're getting upset. Look at him, he's getting upset. That's what I do. You're not allowed to do that. That's what I do. I zoom in on your face.
Come on, man. You're gonna take it out or what?
Yeah.
Get in, man.
Just talking the wheels up. Come on. There's another 100 fucking pounds worth of shit there. That was 160 quid.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah. Sick of it. But the what was that chap's name? What was the gripper's name that was here before with the B7? He's a gripper, him, isn't he? He looks solid, him. I won't fuck about with him, would you?
He's got a few tattoos. Does that make him a
Really
gripper?
like look, yeah, tattoos and shaved head. He looks solid, him. What's that? 700 horsepower.
There,
5.7.
570.
Ah, he'll just fucking wheel spin anyway. He won't go very far with it.
But it's got a good diff in it, so you don't get all the crazy torques there.
What diff's it got?
Right, just because I'm on camera now. Go out in that.
Nope.
See? Go out in it.
Nope.
It's a shit house.
Yeah. I'll take that. I'll take that label all day long. I am a shit house.
Captain shit house.
I am a captain shit house. I'm not going in that car with 570 horsepower and somebody else driving it.
No,
No.
we're not driving it. It's safe
No.
driving.
Nope.
Look at him.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you don't think he goes fast?
Oh, I mean, if you close your eyes, you can imagine Michael Schumacher right now, can't you?
The 570 horsepower.
I'm not going in it.
The
You go in
front-wheel
it
drive.
if you're that confident about his driving.
You're boring to me.
Fuck off, mate.
You won't get a reaction. People want to see him on YouTube shitting himself. It's like,
Yeah,
it's
well, I know.
entertainment.
No, I don't want to do it. It's
Go
not
on.
entertaining for me, no.
I'll buy you breakfast for the next week.
No, I'm a bitch, but I also have all my limbs intact and my ticker's fine because I'm here and I'm not passenger seating some Asbo.
Oh, talking about your
Mobile.
ticker being intact. Have you played COD recently? When you open up one of them boxes and that thing comes out, you shit yourself.
It's Joe White's done that to me about 5 times now.
I know it's coming.
Have you had it with your headphones on?
No,
It's
I don't.
even worse.
I just have it on the speaker.
It's even
it's
worse.
terrible.
On a big telly in your headphones.
Where the action's happening.
What are you doing now?
Back editing.
You get the big tool out.
Yeah.
So basically, what does Ben do?
Next question.
Yeah. So you edit the footage and film the footage, and
little
pretty much direct everything. What does Ben actually do? What did you? Where did you? You said you found him at Audi. What was he doing? Washing cars.
Yeah, it was actually. Yeah. not doing much.
He said he's a Audi qualified engineer.
To be fair, I don't actually know what he does. You're right in what you're saying. What does he do?
Last time we were here, he took the mick out, or you were here, he took the mick out of me, didn't he? So, so it's time for a bit of Ben bashing.
Well, at least I know now, if he leaves, or I fuck him off basically, he can, I mean, he's looking at that camera there, he doesn't actually know what he's doing.
Look at him winding the end of it, he's probably trying to undo it like a can of pop, isn't
So if he does actually leave, I'm alright on my own.
Yeah, you are. I think the thing, honestly, significantly...
I'm talking to myself, right?
Yeah, it'd be fine, you can get someone else involved, just anyone. If you go into Wrexham, you can find someone.
You can find plenty of people in Wrexham. Whether you'd want to have them on YouTube or not, I don't know.
We've established Lee's position in this whole duo thing.
The receiver, yeah.
No, well, that's for a different channel again, right? But it's normally Lee that's holding that camera. We still can't establish what makes up the part of your job in this YouTube thing.
Do you know what? I couldn't tell you either. Yeah. Other than I speak to everybody, workshops, body shops, suppliers, sponsors, social media.
Basically saying that you do the most of the work.
Well, pretty much, yeah. He literally just holds this, talks to me for a bit, and then, well, he doesn't even edit it now. So I'm not too sure what he does either, to be quite honest with you.
Is this your first big argument?
No argument. I'll just tell him how it is.
No, I'm just thinking about, is this the start of a breakup of a...
No, definitely not.
Is that on the rocks? Yeah. How long have you been together? How did you first meet?
In the pub.
Did you?
Yeah.
Were you drunk?
I could have been. Was I pissed? I might have been pissed. I'm usually pissed, yeah. Yeah, it was in the pub. We were introduced by the landlord and landlady of the pub, yeah. And the rest is history.
No, that's how it happened. You didn't sell him a car then to meet him?
No, I sold the car afterwards. Not long afterwards, actually.
So you got him drunk and then took him back and sold him a car?
Alright, Alan. Gordon Bennett. We're chatting over here, pal. No, so I sold him a Q5, put him in loads of negative equity.
Did you?
Yeah, because Lee's
wife... Is
that
the one he did the video on?
Lee's wife wanted to change it after like 4 months. 6 months, when I quite specifically said, can you please just not change your car for a long time? Yeah, I won't. 6 months later, I need something faster.
And that was it?
And that's it,
that's
that's why
then that was a downward spiral, and he sold him a load of stuff afterwards and made him buy a watch.
Oh yeah, that was for his wife, that, wasn't it? Do you know what's funny? Because I can like have a bit of banter, because Lee's wife's right behind camera and she doesn't want to be on camera, so she's not going to say anything, she's just laughing.
I know, yeah. It's unreal. Our Lee's caught her a few times.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's it. It's going in the edit now.
Fair play. But yeah, that's literally how it went.
So basically, just to summarise this, you took all his money and then you got together like as a duo, and now basically you're just trying to replace him with an editor, and you've taken the camera off him. Basically, there's nothing left for him to do.
Well, I've been saying this for a while.
So you're going to be Ben EvilGT? Is he the T? Or did you think of that over a beer with gin and tonic?
No, definitely weren't.
What was the theory behind that?
It's his reg plate, EvilGTR, wasn't it? His reg plate's EvilGTR. And we just thought, well, we're part of EvilGTR because we're going to have... Alan, mate. Right. EvilGTR. And we were going to have loads of different cars on. So we just said, well, shall we just drop the R? It was literally as easy as that. And the rest is history. Alright, Al?
Loves it, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does.
Loves an appearance.
He's trying to get the cameos in here.
Yeah, cameo, I was going to say that. But yeah, so basically that's it. That's the end of it. It's the end of the story. So.
That's it. That's why loads of people keep saying, can you do a Q&A?
But we've done it.
I can't tell you how boring it would be. People would be so underwhelmed. Honestly, they'd be like, wow, that's how you... So over a pint, you literally met over a pint. That was it. Pint and a Coke.
Drinking idea, and that was it.
Yeah.
That's all she wrote.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, it's been fantastic.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Really enjoyed it.
Thanks for coming.
It's alright, you're welcome. Get on with some work.
I'm going to now, yeah, cheers. Thanks. How are you getting on there, Ben? How'd you put up with these, with this camera all day long?
Oh, I can't really, to be honest with you. I'm just, I was going to lift the car up in the air and actually do something useful, but I didn't want to make any noise.
So I leave that to Alan. It's just purely people who contact us saying, like another guy there, do 24 hours in the S15 challenge.
Oh, no way.
Well, I've already said no chance.
No chance.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But these are little things, you can't ignore people.
24
But
hours,
look,
we're not Mr. Beast.
Look at how many people look at this. These are all people that I reply to because you're too ignorant. Look, it's endless.
My job isn't social media. That's
Well, hey, that's what I'm saying. So that's why.
Should we do S15 24 hours?
Fuck that, mate. No chance. Do you know what? I'd rather go in that orange ST.
Yeah, we heard that. We definitely heard that.
I am a shithouse.
Captain Shithouse.
I am a captain shithouse. I'm not going in that car with 570 horsepower, somebody else driving it. No. Go in that orange ST, then do 24 hours in RS15. Wouldn't you though?
If we were going to get if we were guaranteed 10 million views, what's that, about $40,000 in ad revenue?
Yeah.
I'd do it.
I would do that
20
for
grand
40
each.
No, it's not worth it.
That's like £15,000 each.
That car,
We could buy another one of these.
and buy the supercharger for it.
Yeah. So I could buy the supercharger and you could pay for it fitted. Because they're probably similar prices, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, when I spoke to MRC, they said for the stage. No. Yeah. For the 600 TTS 600 fitted, it's 19 grand.
19 grand?
Yeah. For the supercharger and fitting it and mapping it and all that shit.
Oh, job done. On to the next one.
That's it. Oh, she wrote this one was like a real, like, tiny snippet. Normally here for ages, boring the fuck out of us, but.
Well, we were saying this the other day, weren't we? That we're glad that this is the last time that we have to come back. Hopefully.
Is it the last time we're going to come back?
Well, we don't know.
That?
We don't know what's going to happen with this, do we?
Well, no, I mean, we need a few more subscribers, so according to some of the comments today, we'll have to get you back.
Well, it looks like we've given you a few of ours.
Yeah, I know,
We're going backwards.
I know, yeah, it's because you come here.
Well, it seems to have gone downhill since we come to
I
Wrexham.
know, yeah, unbelievable. The bill went this way and the subscribers went that way.
No. So hopefully it'll go the other way around. But no, in all seriousness, thanks for having us and sorting this and the focus out. Much appreciated, because this was in a bit of a sorry state, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So now there's no more knocking. Suspension's mint, drives well. The clutch
is shit.
Still not happy with the clutch.
No, I'm not going to dispute that one either. I'm going to say that it's not perfect. I think we need to see how it goes, but it's a bit strange, like we kind of said before, that you know it's a little bit grabby and it feels a bit diffy. It's just really strange, but who knows? I don't know. It's just not like any other kind of paddle clutch I've driven before. But you know, we've got an MOT done, we've got the bump stops done and
top
mounts.
All
So
done.
That's sorted.
Oh, and the side light as well, because the side light gone out.
Yeah.
So it's
It's been alright. It's been an alright day.
Are we done now? Are we finished? Can we go?
Yeah.
Because we've got to finish our exit. We're not even filmed our bit to
No,
finish.
I know.
Unbelievable.
I know.
Do you want us to film you
Come on.
two?
No.
Finish, stop
Forget it.
recording. Press it. Press stop.
Thanks very much.
Bye.
Bye.
Go on, Smiley. They might get you.
Bye.
Do that.